In this video, I will show you how to download IDM for free in your laptop or your PC. To do that, simply type IDM download. Press your enter. The moment it is open in this search result, you simply click on this very first one, and then once you click on it, this page will open up for you. Now scroll down here and then you will see where it will show you download internet download manager, and now this is compatible for Windows 7, Windows 8 or 8.1. It is also compatible with Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now take note that this is trial version, and this trial version lasts for 30 days, and this will require no email, no credit card is also required. You can just simply click on download internet download manager, and then this will be downloaded for you within a couple of minutes. After the download, you can just simply click and this will immediately begin to install in your PC. Now simply click on next, then accept the terms in the license agreement. Click next. Then you can create an icon on the desktop for this IDM installation by checking this here. Now click next. Click also next. This will install in your PC for you. Now click on finish. If you are done with this, you can simply do a registration for this. You can see the prompt message, you must install IDM modules extension, that is add-on to turn on IDM integration into Firefox browser, and then just click OK. In my system, I have Google Chrome already installed, so it popped up this telling me that this extension has automatically been installed or updated in my Google Chrome, and then you can see how it went about it. This is just the procedure it goes to do all that installation. Now if you come here right now, you can just simply click on this extension. You can see that this is already added as one of the extensions here. You can pin it and it comes here. Now you can also click on this three dot, then click on manage extension. Make sure that this is turned on, and here you can make sure that this is turned on to all sites. Then you can also turn on this very one, also turn on this very one, and then with this you have also customized or done some settings in order to allow for speed download of any files from internet. With this, you have successfully installed it in your system and also added it as Google Chrome extension in your PC.